It's Thursday Thunder on the railroad on Rail Fanning Vibes. Gates have been activated. They are on their way down, folks. We got a train coming. It's about to get funkified up in here. Miami Chapel Road here in Dayton, Ohio. As you kind of take a look at the neighborhood over here. Nice area to film trains. Here's this CSX and it's rumbling too. Here we go. Check it out, folks. How's that popcorn? It's roaring down there. Northbound CSX. It's crazy. Yes, sir. Sound is fabulous. Thanks for tuning in, rail fans, for another exciting edition of Rail Fanning Vibes, Thursday Thunder on the railroad. Sounded like some fun. Yes, sir. Tankers are black card 1093, one's 1114. I'm not an expert on the contents inside of these tankers. Trying to help me out in the comments below. This is rock card. That's why we call it Thursday Thunder. Any day's thunder on the railroad. Awesome sound, awesome sound. Yes, sir. It's definitely some thunder. Wow, it is really like hippie out here. Oh, that. All right. Like I said, over at this location right here on Miami Chapel Road, you will get a few people over here. If you're going to film trains, you will get some stragglers over here. So just be aware of that. As our northbound CSX is great. Rock train has concluded. Please like, share, and subscribe to Rail Fanning Vibes, Thursday Thunder on the railroad. Peace out, folks. To the next video. Take care.